spent the night here in Perry, Florida at the Roadie's truck stop. Little truck stop just on the outside of town. It was pretty quiet. We got the trucker parking here and then the auto parking where we're at on this side. Worked out good. I think they've got a Huddle House restaurant, and I just realized I need to gas up here, so I'll get some gas and we'll be hitting the road. Okay, we are still using Highway 98. And we got our sunshine back after a couple days of solid rain. It is a welcome sight. Feel the warmth of that sun. Some blue skies poking through. Away we go. We are getting on Highway 27 South, heading towards Fort White, Florida. We've got a campsite set up there. We'll share a little bit more about that when we get there. Loving these clear blue skies. I love all these giant oak trees. It's so awesome. Got off of Highway 27 South. We're heading towards Ichetucknee Springs Campground. Going to meet up with someone that's been working there for the season. She reached out to me through the YouTube channel. So it's going to be a pleasure to meet Charlene and check out this campground. It sounds like a real special place. Couldn't ask for a nicer day. Really enjoying rural Florida. It's funny, you know, in all my travels, it's the one thing that I always kind of realize is how much of the U.S. is just rural country living. The cities, the major cities take up such a little space of all the area in the U.S. Just, you know, before I got to traveling, just hear a state, and, you know, the first thing like Florida, I think of Miami Beach, Daytona Beach, like these heavily populated beach cities, and it's just a small part of this whole state. So enjoying Florida. This must be the place. Nice, tucked right in the trees here. Ichetucknee Springs. They do have electric sites. There's no, it's not full hookup. They've got electric sites, and then they've also got just tent campsites with no electric. And each one has a table and fire ring. All right, well, this is the site we ended up choosing here. Nice little spot. Plenty of room, more room than we really need. Parked right over here. Kelly's right opposite of me. She usually requires a little bit more sun on her solar panels because she runs a freezer, so she's able to get some partial sun here. And we just realized that we went most of the day without eating, so we're getting food going right away. Day got away from us, so I'm going to get some rice going in the pressure cooker. And we're going to do some sort of Indian food concoction here. We'll see what we end up doing. All right, we're going to do up a quick meal. We're just going to do these, heat up one of these packets here. It's Indian vegetables, tikka vegetables. Tasty Bites is another brand that's, well, tasty. Yeah, I got one in there already. I'm just going to do it over rice. Got some basmati rice in the pressure cooker, cooling down. Hungry. What is it called?
Anadi sushi.
What kind?
Anadi sushi.
Anadi sushi. And Indian food, why not?
It's an international meal.
Why not? Got a little bit of sunshine left. Get back in the sun and have our dinner. All right, here we are at Ichetucknee Springs. This is the head springs. The glare, it's kind of hard to see, but it is crystal clear. I believe the hole is over here somewhere.
Wow, check this out.
All right, here we are at the headwaters at the put-in. Super pretty here. Water is like crystal clear, 72 degrees, spring water. So we've got about 4 or 5 hours. We're gonna do 9 miles and just take our time. Barely even have to paddle, just kind of steer. Beautiful day, it's clear and sunny, supposed to be about 65, 66 degrees. The water is actually warmer than the outside temp, so maybe spending some time in the water. A lot of turtles out sunbathing on the logs here. There's a manatee up here. We're going to try to get a look at it. Here it comes. Taking a breath. Been pretty amazing. There's just turtles, fish, manatee, just birds everywhere. Super peaceful. We've only seen a couple other people, so it's just very serene out here. Got the whole river to ourselves, passing by the turtles, checking us out. All right, well that was awesome. That was definitely worth the money. I'll leave the name of that company that we used here in the video, and definitely recommend it. If we were to do it again, probably, I don't know, would you say that if we were to do that again, we'd just do the 3 mile section? No? No? Kelly says no, we do the whole 9 miles. Yeah, the last stretch was really more for the exercise. The water gets pretty murky and you can't really see anything, but it was still nice just being on the water. So for the price, it was awesome. We definitely do that again. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm trying my hardest to get caught up with videos here. I'm obviously a little bit behind. I have, since this video, given away my van and acquired a new vehicle I'll be showing here shortly. I don't have any solar or any power or anything, so it's been very challenging for me to edit videos, to find a place to charge my laptop and use it. So anyway, we'll be catching up soon. I really appreciate you guys hanging in there and following along on my adventures. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks. Take care. Peace.